Hey, this is Stuart from Icebolt Electrical, and today I'm going to teach you about electrocution protection and why you should have safety switches on every circuit in your switchboard. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly show you inside the switchboard here, and I'll run you through it. Okay, so basically what we've done here, it's a pretty old switchboard, but we've upgraded it to have safety switches on every single circuit. And the reason why that is because it became legislation roughly about a year to 2 years ago, and people are finding that even though safety switch is good on your power circuit, people are still getting zapped and electrocuted from different things, just like the hot water system, the air conditioners. I know I've personally been zapped off a hot water system. I've been zapped off an air conditioner circuit, so I know what I'm talking about. So in regards to especially a hot water system, there's pipes running all through your house, and say like a rat chews through a wire or something like that, and the wire touches the water pipe. A normal circuit breaker should trip it off if it's earthed properly, but if not, if you don't have a safety switch, that's when real dangers can come in. I mean, like at least a year and a half ago, there was a young girl that became permanently disabled from from not having a safety switch on the hot water circuit. And I've actually known a customer where their cousin has actually died in the bathtub from touching a water tap. So it's pretty serious, and I'd highly recommend, if you get the chance, to send us through a photo of your switchboard or even your local electrician that you normally use, and then that way they'll be able to check whether or not your house is actually safe from electrocution protection. But yeah, the main thing is the switchboard. In the switchboard, the safety switches are your #1 defense against electrocution protection. And also recommend getting a general electrical health report by your local electrician or us to go through your home and make sure that your switches are safe, your smoke alarms are up to date, stuff like that. Okay, so now I'm going to explain how to actually test your safety switches. Now it's super easy, and they're recommended to do it at least once per month to make sure they're functioning properly, so that if something bad happens, you'll know exactly if it's going to trip under those circumstances. So what we'll do is I'll show you how to just test the safety switches. Now I won't test them all because people are home, but I'll show you how to test a couple of them. So see this air conditioner here? See how there's a little test button there? What we're going to do is, for every switch, we're going to press the test button. So there we can see it came straight off, and that's what we want. We want the test button. As soon as we press it, that'll flick straight off. If it doesn't flick off straight away, you know that there's something wrong, because that shows you what's going to happen under a fault condition. Same thing with the sauna. Boom, straight off. Stuff like that. If it doesn't, like I said, if it doesn't flick off straight away, you need to call your electrician to come out and actually test your safety switches. And then if there's still something wrong, he'll either need to replace the safety switch, or he'll need to fix whatever wiring's inside the house. But normally a safety switches last a long time, but there have been cases where I've actually gone out and the safety switch hasn't been working and it's been dangerous. Another thing is too, sometimes, depending on what electrician you've hired before in the past, sometimes they don't understand certain things like your circuit breakers as well. As you can see, this one's rated at 80 amps because it's got a big cable running to the house. But some houses I've seen where they've ran in a small cable and they've still ran a big circuit breaker like that. It's actually caused melting inside the switchboard. So yeah, switchboards are pretty important, and I'd highly recommend sending a photo to us or your preferred electrician to have a quick look at it for you. Because yeah, it could save your life, it could save your children's life, or it could save someone else's life that goes in your home. So yeah, thanks for listening today, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.